If your GIMP eraser stopped working, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons the eraser tool fails and exactly how to fix each one. This is one of those frustrating problems that can make it seem like GIMP is broken, when really it's usually just one small setting, lock or layer issue. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get the eraser working again fast, safely, and without guessing. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple GIMP tutorials just like this. It helps the channel a lot and lets me keep making quick fixes and beginner-friendly guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, if the eraser tool does absolutely nothing when you click and drag, the most common cause is corrupted tool settings. This happens more often than you might think, especially if you've changed a few options and forgotten about them. To fix this, go over to the Tool Options panel. If you don't see it, you can usually find it in the lower section of the workspace or reopen it from the Windows menu. Once you have Tool Options visible, look for the Reset icon, which is usually the curved arrow button. Click Reset Tool Options to restore the eraser back to its default behavior. After that, try the eraser again on your image. In many cases, this alone solves the problem immediately. Next, if the eraser only works in a small area or seems to erase just one part of the image, the issue may be an active selection. In GIMP, a selection limits where tools can make changes, so if something is selected, the eraser can only work inside that selected area. To remove the restriction, go to the Select menu at the top and choose None. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Shift, Ctrl, and A on Windows or Linux, or the equivalent shortcut on your system. Once the selection is cleared, try erasing again. This is a very common fix when the eraser seems to ignore most of the image. Now, if the eraser is leaving behind a solid color instead of making transparent areas, that usually means the layer does not have an alpha channel. In simple terms, the layer is not allowed to become transparent yet. To fix this, go to the Layers panel, right-click the layer you're working on, and choose Add Alpha Channel. If that option is grayed out, that actually means the layer already has transparency support, so you don't need to add it again. Once the alpha channel is enabled, the eraser should remove pixels and reveal transparency instead of filling with a background color. Another thing that can stop the eraser is layer locking. If the layer editing locks are enabled, GIMP may refuse to change the pixels at all. In the Layers panel, look for Lock Pixels and Lock Alpha Channel. If either of those is active, turn them off. Lock Pixels prevents edits to the actual image content, and Lock Alpha Channel restricts transparency changes. When both are unlocked, the eraser should be able to modify the layer normally again. If the eraser looks like it's working, but you still can't see any real change, check the opacity and mode settings in Tool Options. Sometimes the eraser is set to a very low opacity, which makes the effect so faint that it seems like nothing is happening. Other times, the mode may not be set correctly. To fix this, set opacity to 100% and change the mode to normal. That gives you full strength erasing with standard behavior. After adjusting those two settings, test the tool again on the image. And if the eraser is affecting the wrong layer or nothing changes on the visible image, the problem may simply be that the wrong layer is selected. In GIMP, the active layer is the one that gets edited, so go to the Layers panel and click the layer you actually want to erase from until it becomes highlighted. If you have multiple layers, this step is extremely important because the eraser will only affect the selected layer. Once the correct layer is active, try erasing again and you should see the change immediately. So to quickly recap, if the eraser tool in GIMP is not working, check these things in order. Reset the tool options, clear any selection, add an alpha channel if needed, disable layer locks, raise opacity to 100%, set the mode to normal, and make sure the correct layer is selected. Working through these steps will fix most eraser issues in just a few minutes. If this video helped you get GIMP working again, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video on other common GIMP problems like the paintbrush not working, transparency not showing, or layer editing issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.